How to make a playlist on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to make a playlist on Spotify, all you have to do is open up the Spotify application here and just make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you sign into your account, tap on the Your Library option located at the bottom right of the screen, and this is the kind of interface that you're gonna see. Tap the plus bar from the top right hand side, then select the option called playlist and just give your playlist a certain name. Tap on the create option, your playlist will get successfully created, but you can also do more, like simply adding songs to this playlist. So tap on the add to the playlist option, then just select the songs that you want to add to your playlist right over here. Then once you've done that, you can simply fill that playlist and start listening to your certain playlist here. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then make a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.